Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to work on another portion of our lesson, how light is refracted in a convex lens. You children know that there are two focal points for a single convex lens in either sides. Both the focal points are at equal distance from the lens. If one focal point is at 4 centimeter distance from the lens, the other focal point is also at 4 centimeter distance from the lens. So they are equally distant from the lens. Always keep in the mind the two focal points are there, one on the right side, one on the left side. From the lens, both of them are at equal distance. And now if you send a light ray parallel to the principal axis, now see, the light ray is traveling from the left side. I am drawing it up to the optical axis. Then it will be refracted through the focal point. So if you draw the arrowheads here, the arrowhead will be looking this way. Right? So this is the ray is coming from the left side above the principal axis. You can think in the other side. The ray is coming from the left side below the principal axis, parallel to the principal axis. Now it will be refracted through the focal point in this manner. Don't forget to draw the arrowheads. Here I am drawing the arrowheads. This will be this man. So those are the light rays coming from the left side. Suppose if the light rays are coming from the right side, let's think in this manner. The light rays are coming from this side. Now it will be refracted through this focal point. You have to correctly draw the arrows. If the arrows are not drawn, it will be wrong. And if the light rays are coming from the bottom side of the principal axis, it will be refracted in this manner. Here also you have to draw the arrowheads correctly. So you have to draw four diagrams, four lens diagrams. In one, light ray is coming from the left side above the principal axis. Second, light ray is coming from the left side below the principal axis. Third, light ray is coming from the right side above the principal axis. Fourth, light ray is coming from the right side below the principal axis. In the next, I will introduce some other works in the another two short videos, because all the videos cannot be recorded at once and it will be taking more complex. Okay, the complexity is more. So I am stopping the video here and shortly get back to you